In this video, we're going to create a custom registration form with some custom fields. I'm just going to show you the basics of how to do that. So we're going to create a new form by clicking New Form up here, and we're going to call it Custom Field Registration Form, something like this. Click Continue, and you'll see we've got first name, last name, gender, date of birth, email, phone number, all that. Now I'm just going to get rid of a couple of these fields. I don't need gender, I don't need date of birth, we might not need phone number, and we'll just have first name, last name, email address. Now you'll see that all of these are wrapped up in a contact field, just here. I'm going to click that field, so it highlights in blue, and on the right hand side, in my settings object, I'm just going to change the minimum answers to 1, the maximum answers to 0, so you can have multiple, and you'll see that as soon as I've done that, it's now added a box around those contact fields. If I click add another contact, then you can see it duplicates those fields and asks for those fields for each contact that I want to create. Now also what I want to do is click payment options on the left hand side. I'm going to click require payment. It's going to start off at $0, and I'm going to choose my Stripe integration, which I've just got here in my demo account, and I've got payment modifiers. So here I'm going to add a payment modifier. I'm going to write tickets. This is just a description for the user to see, and I'm going to do add, and the value over here on the right hand side, I'm going to click contact. I'm going to copy this little expression here. I'm going to do contact length times by 1500, which will be in cents. So basically the length of the number of contacts that we have, the list of contacts, times 1500, which would be $15. So you can see here that we've got now a payment summary that if I click add a contact, it goes up to $45. If I add another contact, $60, add another contact, $75. And you can see there that now, depending on how many contacts someone adds, the price is going to change. Now let's say we also want to ask them what t-shirt they have. So if I click add field, I'm going to choose a multiple choice, and I'm just going to add that field into our contact object. I'm going to call this t-shirt size. And here I've got a select drop down, and I've got minimum answers is 0 and maximum answers is 1. I'm just going to change that to 1 and 1, which means they have to choose it. They have to provide one answer, and they at max provide one answer. That just means that if I click the drop down, they click it, it's got a little asterisk here saying they need to do it. And I've got my options here. Now I'm going to get rid of these options. I'm going to say small, medium, large, and extra large, something like that. And it'll change this little mistake there. So we've got small, medium, extra large, and you'll see here that they can choose these sizes. And what I'm also going to do is add a field. I'm going to choose a checkbox, and I'm just going to say I would like a t-shirt. I'm just going to put that above the other t-shirt here. I'm going to click the t-shirt here, the t-shirt size field. I'm going to click expressions, and where it says show this field if, I'm going to click the little target, and I'm going to find the I would like a t-shirt, and I'm going to click this little bit here, which basically means that we're going to show this if the person ticks I would like a t-shirt, and if they tick it, that field will show. If they don't tick it, then it won't show. And we've got our small, medium, large, etc. Now what we want to do is also add to the price. We also want to add $10 for every person that buys a t-shirt. So I'm going to go back to my payment options here, and with my payment modifiers, I'm going to click add payment modifier. I'm going to write t-shirts, and here I'm going to do add, and our value is going to be over here. If I click I would like a t-shirt, it's going to come up with this expression, which is match in array. I'm going to copy that, paste it into our value. And what this does is it says, find all people, like all of the contacts that have I would like a t-shirt is true, and the number of them. So if we have 3 contacts and 2 of them pick a t-shirt, this number would be 2. And then I'm going to put times by, let's say, $20, and click done. And now you'll see, look, tickets is $15 and t-shirts is $20. And if I click add another contact, you'll see that tickets has gone up. So we've now got $15 per ticket, but t-shirts is only $20. But if I tick this, it's going to go up to $40. And that's how we can calculate the price based on what options the person selects. I'm going to click, we'll just pick a realm, we'll put it in that realm, hit save, and now we've got our registration form. We can grab this, get the public form link, and we can have people register online. Now we can also attach this form to an event and have it register tickets for that event and a whole bunch of other stuff. But for that, I just encourage you to check out some of the other video tutorials about forms and the features within.